Today I will tell you about six great Indian scientists. India's first satellite was named after Aryabhatta. He was a great ancient Indian astronomer and mathematician, known for his work on the revolution of the earth, prediction of eclipses, and the use of place value in number systems. You know about the Maharshi Charak? He was the principal contributor and practitioner of the ancient system of Indian medicine called Ayurveda and wrote a book on it and developed a lifestyle in ancient India. Do you know about the Maharshi Sushruta? He was a physician in ancient India, known today as the father of Indian medicine and father of plastic surgery, of inventing and developing surgical procedure, and he developed various unique techniques to dissect the human body and study its structure. Do you know about Maharshi Varahamihir? He was an outstanding astronomer and mathematician who also had a thorough knowledge of Western astronomy. He is known for his book Pancha Siddhantika, a detailed study of Western and Indian astronomy. Do you know about Maharshi Vyas? He was an Indian astronomer and mathematician of the 7th century. His major work includes the book the Mahabhaskarya and Laghu Bhaskarya that dealt with the longitudes of planets, solar and lunar eclipses, and the phases of the moon. Do you know about Brahmagupta? He was an ancient Indian astronomer of the 6th century, known for his book Brahmasputa Siddhanta, an astronomical work. He defined zero as the result of subtracting a number from itself.